So, for today's, we will discuss the lesson 3, the self as a cognitive function. So, before we start, may idea ba kayo sa title natin? Everyone. Sorry.
Structure.
Hello. Self as a cognitive function.
Tungkol sa sarili.
Hindi ako pag-iisip.
So, the
Pag-iisip
self
sa
as a
sarili.
cognitive construct is
Tama
ito
po.
yung tumutukoy sa
Hindi.
idea,
Idea na. Pinagsasama-sama nila. Oo.
idea o konsepto ng ating sarili sa pamamagitan ng pag-iisip, perspection o karanasan. Gets po? Next is, we have a statement here that I am who I am. Ako ay ako. And this statement
Sino
begs
ka
a
ba?
question. Na, if you are who you are, then who are you that makes you who you are? So sabi dito, anong parte ng katawan mo, personalidad mo, or behavior mo ang bumubuo sa'yo? Next is the concepts of and psychology is at times interchangeable with other similar terms. So sabi dito, may pagkakaiba-iba or may iba't ibang definition ang self. Sabi nga ni Zhang Yani and Carly 2014, the sense of personal identity of who we are as individuals. So, we will discuss the different definition of the self according to the concept of psychologists. We have our psychologist is si William James. One of the earliest psychologists to study the self and conceptualize the self as having two aspects. So kay William James daw, meron siyang dalawang aspect, which is the I and me. So, I is the thinking, acting, and feeling self. So, yung I sa kanya is, ano raw yung nararamdaman mo, ano yung ginagawa mo, or ano yung, basta yun, ano mo, nararamdaman mo, gano'n. And yung naman is the physical characteristics as well as psychological capabilities that makes who you are. So, yung me daw is yung physical appearance, physical na anyo, gano'n, which is, in short, confidence sa sarili. Nagigets?
Opo.
Next is, other concepts similar to self are identity and self-concept. Identity is composed of one personal characteristics, roles, and responsibilities as well as affiliations that define who one is. So, familiar kayo sa word na identity dito? Yun yung yun yung pagkakakilanlan sa ating sarili. And the self-concept is basically what comes into your mind when you are asked about yourself. Ito yung, kumbaga, for example, may tinanong mo siya, sino ka ba? Siyempre, yung unang nasa isip niya, yun yung isasagot niya. For example, tinanong ako ng, sino ka ba? Siyempre, ang sasabihin ko, ako lang naman yung, ganito.
Ano?
Self-identity and self-concept are not fixed in one time frame. You may identity yourself based from who you are at present or in the future. So, sabi dito, not permanently, constantly change based on our experience. For example, dito is, ano yung nakikita mo ngayon sa sarili mo? Maaring iba sa nakaraan or mag-iiba pa sa hinaharap. Ganun po yung ibig sabihin. Self-identity and self-concept. So, next psychologist is si Carl Rogers. Carl Rogers is humanistic psychologist. Captured this idea and his concept of self, a schema or organized system or collection of knowledge about who we are who we are. So, kay Carl Rogers naman is meron siyang dalawang aspect na magkaiba ng definition na I am dead. Yung kay William James, di ba, thinking, yung I niya. Yung kay ano naman, kay Carl Rogers is yung I niya, decided from others. Parang itong course na kinuha natin, di ba, decide ng family natin. Ganon. Yun yung ibig sabihin ng kaiba sa kanya. And dami naman is yung kung ano yung nasa isip mo. For example, yung nag-breakdown ka, ganon. Down na down ka sa sarili mo. Yun yung yun yung isa kanya. Gets po?
Yes po.
Gets yung pinagkaiba ng I and me kay Carl and William. So here are some example of self-schema. Self, hobbies, religion, family, and nationality. Self-schema. The schema is not limited to the aforementioned example. It may also include your birth, your course, your age, your name, and your physical characteristics, among others. Who wants to read? And you.
As you grow and adapt to the changes around you, they also change, but they are not passive receivers as they greatly shape and affect how you see, think, and feel about other things or the people around you. And
So dito for example is yung may circle of friends ka. Tapos yung ikaw tamad ka, tapos yung circle of friends mas masisipag. Parang yung gawain nila ma-adapt mo. Ganon. Parang kunwari sila, nag-aaral sila.
Ma-encourage ka.
Na-encourage. Ganon.
Ay, parang dati si ano.
Example, when someone state your first name, they will if not talking about you. Your attention is yours.
Pupunta siya
Dito
doon
is yung, may na,
Parang
kumbaga,
ma-encourage ka kasi kung ano
dito
ginagawa.
merong nag-uusap na circle of friends, tapos ikaw nandito ka sa gilid nila. Parang yung pinag-uusapan nila konektado sa'yo, sa sarili mo. So parang mag-a-assume ka na ikaw yung pinag-uusapan
Ay, parang ako
nila.
kahapon.
Kaya makukuha yung attention mo.
Ah.
Paano yun pag may mga kaibigan kang matatalino, tas bobo ka, tas pupunta ka doon, magiging matalino ka din?
Depende sa'yo yan.
Ah,
Hindi, depende.
depende din.
Kung gusto mo talaga. Kung di ka aasa.
Nagigets ko.
Ah.
Next is,
Curious.
you generally see this concept of self and identity as mental construct created and recreated memory. So this concept developed through our experience and reflection. Also can change based on new information. It depends on being encountered. For example, yung mga millennials tas yung Gen Z. Diba? Parang yung millennials na ano din nila yung Gen Z. Yung pinukwento.
Na ano.
Parang sa mga outfitan gano'n. Na-influence din sila na
ganun.
so ng ganito ganyan. Nagigets na.
Yes, ma'am.
Static.
Next is several psychologists, especially during the earlier development of
Lucky.
different observed by looking deeper into what it
Gomaro.
was command. So
Ay,
dito,
Sigmund.
focus on understanding the mind by examining its inner working. So, si Sigmund Freud is conceptualized the progress, construct, and behavior of the cells as the result of the interaction between the id and the superego. So, si Sigmund Freud is yun. So, sabi dito, ED and the ego ED, the ego, and the super-ego. Familiar naman kayo dun, di ba?
Sa
Yung
E.
ED and ego.
Yes,
and
po.
the ego and super-ego. So, yung ED
Id.
is
ED.
pleasure principle, ego reality principle, and super-ego is morality principle. For example, dito yung yung kay SpongeBob, di ba kung nag-iisip siya may dalawang kalutang dito, which is si Evelyn, tapos yung Angel.
Ah.
Yun. Yung evil dito, siya yung ED. Tapos yung ego, ikaw mismo. Tapos yung super-ego, yung Angel.
ED?
Hindi mo.
ED? ID o ED?
Id. Id.
Id.
Id.
ED.
Yun, parang, at yung yung gusto. Siya yung may gusto na For example, ikaw
Gusto ko siya.
Parang ngayon, nasa klase ka, nag-iisip ka na, gutom na ako, gusto ko nang bumili, gano'n. Siyempre, tapos may klase kayo. Siyempre, si It naman, gugulong niya sa'yo na,
Dessert.
bumili ka na, ganyan, gano'n. And si
Sulsul.
Ego naman, niya na, sa ego mo na. Sa ego, iisipin mo na, hindi, ganito, ganyan. Mamaya na lang. So, si super ego, niya yung, parang magpaparealize siya sa'yo. Nagigets?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, however, one cannot fully discard the effect of society and culture to the formation of the self, identity, and self-concept. Even as food and other theories and researchers try to understand the first effect digging deeper into the mind, they cannot fully discount the huge and the important effect of the environment. This is not nature versus nurture. Instead, nature and nurture versus nature. So, kahit daw si fruit iba pang theory, nagtatapang unawain yung mga tao. Para hindi nila masyado. So, dito, nature and nurture. Alam niyo yung pinagkaiba naman siguro ng nature and nurture, di ba?
Hindi pa? Ano yun?
Nature, kalikasan.
Hindi pa.
Ano yun? Pa-idea kayo doon.
Wala.
Nature.
Yung nature, yung yung paligid. So,
Nurture, ano yun?
Nature.
so yung nature is, ito yung kung saan ka nang galing. For example,
Sa nanay ko. Totoo ba? Saan ka ba nang galing? Oh.
For example, dito ka pinanganak sa dito sa Malasigi, gano'n. Yun ang nature, kung saan ka nang galing. And the nurture naman is, ito yung, sa paligid natin. So, yung nurture, parang yung sa mga
Environment,
paligid mo,
environment.
na-adapt mo yung nila, gawain nila. Gano'n.
Environment.
Yes.
Okay na.
Yes, niya, may tanong kayo sa report ko.
Wala po.
Sir, kayo. So, may I call on the next reporter, Gigi?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Gigi Reyes, and this is the continuation of our topic. Our topic is all about, internal and external. Alam naman po natin ang pinagkaiba ng internal at external. Ang internal po is yung pang-loob po natin. Ang external naman po is labas or